for coming in to see. You are going to see a welcome page. Under the welcome page, you see have the manage servers. Here on the manage server, it is where you can actually, you will see your MySQL database. You're going to see the ProFTPD. We don't need this one for now. Let me stop it. Then we have our Apache web server. These are the two that we're going to be using for now in our tutorials. So you can stop the server, you can run it, you can start it, you can see stop your MySQL database as well as you can run it. So if you stop the two, you notice that it's not going to work. Let us stop and then show you how it goes. Now we have the server event. Server event is going to indicate to you where your database is. So, and it's also going to tell you what is happening. It's going to tell you what is happening. Look at here at the beginning. When I click on start all the servers, everything started, and then it gave the procedure as it is it's going. And when you look at the application, so our MySQL database is located at the folder application slash xampp slash xampp files slash MySQL slash script slash control dot sh. So you have MySQL started at port 33306. So this is where the port number. So we're not going to go into that now. And let's look at also same thing with the Apache web server, located same place, and it started at, they have not given the port number, but the general port number for this is mostly 8080. I'm going to show you once we launch. So let us see. Let's also stop this Apache, and then we'll see the event. We'll see what is happening. So here we have stopped the ProFTPD. We can see that it's stopping, and then we also stopped MySQL, which has stopped already. We also stop Apache web server. So now let us look at something. Let me show you something here. If we go to our let's say we go to application, let's ignore this for now. You notice that here, once we enter into a local host, you notice here there is nothing is showing here. Okay, it's not connected to the server. Safari can't connect to the server. Now let me start something again, and then you go to our manage server, then let's start the server, only the server alone, and then we go now and refresh. Now once it starts running, you notice you will see it here. Apache web server have started running already. So if you go now and then refresh, okay, if we refresh our browser, you will see that we are connected now. So we have Apache plus MariaDB plus PHP plus Pi. So this one, only the server is connected. If we try to run PHP, let's go to our PHP MyAdmin. If we start to run any SQL command right now, it's not going to work because our MySQL database is off. So we need to run it. Okay, we need to run it. Also, we need to start it. Let us see. You see, we are having an error as we are trying to enter into PHP MyAdmin. We have errors because MySQL database is not on. So we need to start that. Let us go and start it as well. Let's go to servers, and then we go click on MySQL database. Then we start that. If you go now to event, you notice that same thing. MySQL, starting MySQL database. So let's go here, don't waste much of time, and then we refresh. Once we refresh, wait for some seconds, and then bam, we are now in. Okay, congratulations. So we have succeeded in logging or in starting our Apache web server as well as our database. In our next video, we are going to explain the interface, the PHP interface, and how you can create your first database using MySQL. Thank you very much, and see you on our next video. This is Gabriel once more. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment on our videos.